Question 18 says, assign the appropriate labels to the phase diagram shown below. So in question 17, we talked about a phase change diagram. In question 18, 19, we're going to talk about phase diagram. So let's look at this and identify them. First of all, notice that a phase diagram has pressure on the y-axis and temperature on the x-axis. So at very low temperatures and moderate pressures, anything except extremely low pressures, you're going to find a solid. Okay? At higher temperatures and very, very low pressures, you're going to find a gas. And at intermediate temperatures and pressures, you're going to find a liquid. This point is called the triple point, the temperature and pressure at which all three phases of matter can exist. This point is called the critical point, and above it, okay, you can make a supercritical fluid, which is kind of a different state of matter between a liquid and a gas. We also have these three curves. Okay, I know I'm doing more than the question says. The boundary between the solid and the gas is called the sublimation curve, because solid to gas is subliming. Okay, the boundary between the solid and the liquid is called the fusion curve, and fusion is just another word for melting. All right, so this is the fusion curve. And the boundary between the liquid and the gas is called the vaporization curve. Okay, where vaporization is another word for boiling, but this one's kind of more common, I would say, than fusion being a word for melting. All right, so that is basically what we have. Now, if we look at our different choices here, the answer is choice letter D. A is the gas. B is the solid, C is the liquid, and D is the triple point. Note, though, you could be asked about which curves they are and so on and so forth, so that's why I labeled everything. So if you have questions on number 19, refer back to this one because it will help you to, identify the different things.